Hi friends, I'm going to show you how much Bollywood has got importance in various newspapers published in Delhi. As you can see, this is the Hindustan Times, and in the Hindustan Times, there's the first page. No doubt, electricity failure was a big one, so it got importance. Then it got importance that top film houses move High Court against two channels. That's the headline, and part of it is written here, then part of it is written on continued on page 16. Now, same day, same other newspaper about Bollywood, how much importance it has got. This is Times of India, Delhi edition, and this is a sixth page, as you can see, and how much importance it has got. A very small news. Bollywood producers in High Court to restrain TV channels. Page number 6, Times of India. Just imagine, even in page number 6, how much importance it has got. It is at the bottom right, and Bollywood producers in High Court to restrain TV channels. And how much lines written about it, you can see. So, and even that, how much it has been mentioned that leading Bollywood producers, blah blah blah, Republic TV, naturally Times Now, and Times of India belongs to Times Now, so it has not got importance here. All those responsible, derogatory, the name of few Khans and Johar, Devgan, Shetty, Yashraj, and all, and this that suit has been filed. So this was to show you how much importance it has got in Times of India. Now let me go to the crux and show you what Hindustan Times has written about it. Hindustan Times is also one of the good newspapers in Delhi, and what it has written is two television, Times Now and Republic TV, for which against whom the suit has been filed. Now, the purpose of making this video is to let people know, let Bollywood also know, and everyone know that how much it is justified. Like, the role of media is to report a news, and media houses are here to make a business, just like Bollywood is doing business by making movies. So Bollywood is making movies which Bollywood thinks will sell. Similarly, media houses are selling news which they think will sell. And there is no denying the fact that media houses are not simply putting news just because they're paid, but also because people are watching. People want to know. People are eager to know what is wrong that is happening in Bollywood. After all, they're spending so much of money, and more than money, they're spending so much of time. Time is money. If you're spending 3 hours in cinema hall to watch a movie, just imagine how much time you're spending. And professionals, doctors, lawyers, big businessmen, for them 3 hours is a big deal. That's a different thing that you want to get light because the heavy things throughout the day. So at times you want to feel light because you want to watch movie. So that was I was trying to say. But then media houses are doing the business, they are doing the job, and they are the important pillars of democracy. Who can stop them? If nobody can stop Bollywood people making movies on anyone, on any organization, in any topic, then how can they stop the media houses? Now, since I am a doctor myself, if you have watched recently a movie in which Shahid Kapoor acted like a very renowned orthopedician surgeon, look at the way the movie has shown the doctor. I will ask my doctor friends and people at large, do you think doctors behave like this? Do they dress like this? And is it the way a doctor studying in a medical college behave like this with a girl, and any boys hostel of a medical college you can do all those non nonsense stuffs. Surprised. Similarly, not only medical field, many times medical professional people have questioned the role of Bollywood. At times, they have hit the medical profession so hard that doctors also feel that what is Bollywood doing? This is not the way medical professionals work. So now it is their turn now, so they feel hard. So, but the thing is, like in case of Bollywood drug episodes, it was not only one channel, many channels they were reporting, but why then only two channels? So, no, I agree to some extent that we should take care of the kind of language, because in Indian scenario the language is going down day by day. But Bollywood is also at fault in a sense that look at the kind of language is delivered in Bollywood various film movies, and Bollywood has a lot of influence on the Indian mindset. So if we improve the way things are shown in Bollywood with respect to society, the way language and all that, so things should get right there also. I think after a long time, Bollywood has realized that it is also wrong at some places. Now they have come out with this suit. It would have been good had they done a press conference together and come out and answer those queries what people have in their mind. By putting a lawsuit in a court, you will not be able to stop the public. In the end, you one must realize that Bollywood is going to earn the money from people, public at large, not from the high court or not from any court. The court may come out with a guideline that media should behave in a proper way, should not come out with a filthy language. I agree. Filthy language is not a good thing, be it Bollywood or media. But then putting a lawsuit will not be able to get your customers to the cinema hall. People are very dissatisfied, very angry with the kind of nepotism, with the kind of drug culture that is going on in Bollywood. Now, when we say Bollywood, people say Bollywood because you feel bad taking somebody's name. It doesn't look nice taking somebody's name. So that's why people say Bollywood. It's easy to say. But then we also understand, like, if you say something about a particular doctor, now you are showing Shahid Kapoor as a doctor. Doctors do not take it so seriously. And though they came out with some articles in newspaper that doctors are not happy, but they know, they have confidence in public that public knows that doctors are not really like this. It is a movie. So if you have confidence in yourself and if you have confidence in public, see, we are living in a democratic country. Why I'm saying public, a public again, because it is the public 130 crore people who are going to decide the future of this country. Not media, not me, not Bollywood, not Khans, not Shetty, not Kangana, or anybody. It is 130 crore people who are going to carve out the future for any industry, be it healthcare, be it Bollywood, be it legal fraternity, be it even police culture, be it even drug mafias. 130 crore people feel that drug is not good for the country. It spoils the youth. So they are against it. What is wrong in that? Now, let me take you to the page 16. Now, what page 16 says, Page 16 also little is written. No, how much how much important it has got, man. Now, petition is quite long, and in one of the petitions which I could gather is the player said Bollywood was a huge source of revenue for foreign exchange and employment. Now, let me talk about good revenue and the foreign exchange. It is recently that Netflix has come and OTT channel platforms have come that Bollywood is earning money in a number one way, white money. But since decades, we all know that the rights of the movies in Middle East and others are taken by underworld, even abroad. That is the reason Gulshan Kumar of T series was murdered. So there was a rivalry there. So we should not talk about foreign exchange. Now coming to the employment, if somebody is giving employment to drug peddlers, is it a good thing? By buying drugs, so even if you are supposed paying for drugs, the drugs peddlers, they bring drugs from various sources which are illegal. It promotes terrorism, it promotes underworld culture, it promotes prostitution, it promotes frustration at the borders. If the terrorists bring the drugs, it is the border security forces and the army who are fighting neck to neck with Pakistan or China. So you are promoting a wrong thing. And what kind of movies are being produced in Bollywood? My God. Many times, many of us wonder because you do not come to know what kind of movie it is. Because suddenly a movie is released and it is present everywhere, all PVRs or cinema halls. So by the time you ask somebody what kind of movie it is almost 2 3 days that are gone, and the movie has earned its money. So it is released in such a large quantity at so many places that many people go, and by the time they come and gossip about the movie in their friend circle, it has already earned its money. So that is a strategy they adopt because they know by the time people come out and talk to their friend, nobody will go to watch their movies again. So this is a strategy. And the kind of theme movies carries, people also at times do not have any venue to spend time. How many times you'll go to mall, how many times you'll go there. So cinema hall is still in our blood, so we go. And I damn sure 45 to 55% of the time you come out of the movie theater and you feel you have wasted your money and time, and really you don't feel like mentioning to somebody. So make good movies. That is what was the message. So then rest of the message like that. And the purpose of making this video is that India is a democratic country. Everyone has the right to say. Just like the Bollywood has the right to suit file, so has the media to talk about, so has the public to talk about Bollywood. After all, they're spending money, they are your customers, and customers have the right for grievance. Because if you go to any other places, you have got a feedback form where you can fill it. But in cinema hall, there is no feedback form. So this is the feedback form to the cinema industry, Bollywood industry, that how people are reacting to you, what kind of feedback they are giving you. You should be happy. If you are a management guy, you should be happy that somebody is giving you the feedback. Because a customer who is dissatisfied, very frustrated, will never give you a feedback also. And tell 100 people not to go to a particular organization, particular uh, this thing. Never visit that place. That so and so organization is not good. But cinema hall, there is no feedback form. So this is the feedback form people are giving you. So you should be happy. If a customer gives a feedback form, in management terms, it is said that customer is dissatisfied, but he wants that this organization to improve. So he writes a feedback form so that this organization should improve to this level of mind in this way, so that when he comes to this organization again, at least he will be somewhat satisfied. He may be dissatisfied today, so he's filling the form, feedback form, so that next time he comes or any of his neighbor comes or any person comes, this organization has improved on his feedback form. A customer who is frustrated and never want to come to that organization, or not that other organization or other people to come to that organization, will never even fill the feedback form. Ask those management guys. So you should be happy that people are giving you feedback so that you should improve upon. That's the message to the Bollywood, to improve.